just had some breakfast here in Bologna and we've got to make our way across the city. And obviously we don't want a sports bike because they're no fun in the city commuting traffic. An adventure bike like a GS is just too big and I'm not Charlie Borman. And we don't want something boring and commuting like a scooter. But I think we've chosen the perfect bikes. So what we have is Ducati's 796 Hypermotard, identical to its bigger brother, the 1100 Evo and SP, but air-cooled and tamed down. And on my right, this is Aprilia's Dorsoduro Factory. Slightly more special, more carbon fibre, more adjustment on the suspension, and it's certainly an eye-catching bike. One side of Bologna to the other, and to be honest we went back into Bologna for a bit of a race round and back out again. Almost like the Italian job, but it leaves us an important decision, which bike comes out on top. They're both priced equally, so I have to go with the Aprilia. It's got more bling, it's got more go, it's got more punch, but it's very, very racy. However, the little Ducati is much more user-friendly. If you're new to bikes, it's probably a better option. It's softer, easier to ride and easier around town.